Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton. We are located off 111th Ave and 170th Street in Edmonton, Alberta. We're looking at a Lexus certified pre-owned 2017 GX460. 6-speed automatic, 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine, full-time 4-wheel drive. Silver exterior, black leather, interior wood trim. 4-door, 7-passenger. This is the executive package. Driver's seat memory, powered windows, locks, and side mirrors are power folding. Controls for dashboard lighting, odometer trip, heated steering wheel, vehicle stability control, headlamp washers and gas cap release, illuminated Lexus door sill trim, power adjustable front seats, they both have a lumbar support, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. It is leather and wood wraps. On its driver attention monitoring system, the wide view for the front and side. It's your vehicle icon showing you what you're looking at. Dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert. You also have pre-collision system. Audio controls, hands-free communication. These buttons control information on the dash. Outside temperature gauge. Kilometers till empty. Multi-terrain select. Parking assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Second start help. You have your automatic high beam feature. Engine start and stop button, navigation system, backup camera, side mirrors auto tilt down reverse. You can select different guidelines for back-end parking or parallel parking. There's the parking assist. Speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system, AM, FM, HD radio, satellite, CD, DVD, USB auxiliary, Bluetooth. You can control your rear entertainment system from here. 3-zone independent climate control, AC, windshield wiper degausseur. You have front and rear defrost, side mirrors are heated. This button quickly turns on and off the rear climates. Go into here to adjust it. Leather and wood shift knob, the USB auxiliary, power outlet, heated and ventilated front seats, 3 settings, active height control, sport, normal, and comfort drive modes, hill start assist. You have crawl control as well, armrest split so driver and passenger can have different lengths. Underneath, your cool box, lockable glove compartment. Power tilt and sliding sunroof. Has a sunshade. Sunglass holder with the mirror. Auto dimming rearview mirror with 3 integrated garage door openers and a compass. 18-inch wheels with wheel locks. Keyless entry with smart access, key lock prevention. Illuminated running boards. Rear cross traffic alert system. Roof-mounted rear spoiler, tucked underneath is your windshield wiper. Full-size spare tire located underneath the vehicle. LED taillights. This button right here releases the glass window. You can find that release on your key fob as well. Trunk opens up to the side. Full-length rubber and carpet floor mat from the trunk area. Cargo tie-downs, power plug-in. Cargo cover, this is removable. Tower jacks located in here. Powered controls for your third row. Rear step bumper. Backup sensors, towing hitch. Stainless steel exhaust tip. Get 6,500 pounds of towing capability and your trailer sway control brake system. Speakers, powered window controls, beverage holder and lighting on the sides of the doors. 2 wireless Lexus headsets for your entertainment system. Remote to control them. There are 2 headrest screens. Power outlets. Audio controls, HDMI inputs. You have your climate control. Middle outer seats are heated, low and high settings. Curtain and sun impact airbags. Overhead lighting, handles, hooks, ventilation ducts. Fold down armrest. Has cup holders on it. Middle section of the seat can fold down by itself. Release levers on the back side. Slider bars underneath the seats, moving forward and backwards. Levers in the shoulder area just fold down the top portion of the seats. If you want to recline or gain access to that back row, use the side levers. On this side, you have the lever on the back side. So third row is 2 bucket seats. They have side armrests with cup holders, overhead speakers, handles, lighting, and ventilation ducts. Just like in the trunk area, we have powered controls to fold the seat up and down. The one above it is for recline or to straighten up the seats. Integrated turn signal lights under side mirrors, auto dimming and power folding, windshield de-acer, automatic high beam feature, auto leveling headlamp system, LED headlamps with headlamp washers, LED daytime running strip lights and fog lights, clearance sensors, engine block heater, and so much more. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton and check out all of our pre-owned inventory.